Now, we will talk about the most important part of the training, serving the customer. This stage requires total dedication from the professional, since the customer is the most important person for the restaurant.
The host or lead server should greet the clients and take them to their table, helping them if necessary. He or she should give them the menu and leave, so the server can greet the table. The menu is a list of plates and drinks served in the restaurant and their respective prices. Once the menu is presented to the customers, the server should prepare to take their orders. Upon arrival at the table, the server should greet the customers. As the customers put in their requests, the server should note the customer's order and any extra details on their server's pad. The server should also note in what order the food should arrive to the table and for which guests. Also, the server should note the drinks and food separately.
Nowadays, many restaurants use integrated computer systems that connect the kitchen to the dining room and register. The servers use a server's pad to take the order at the table, and then they input the order into the computer in the dining room. The order is then transmitted to the expo line or to the kitchen. With progressions in technology, some restaurants will use tablets to take down the order, so it can be transmitted directly while the server is at the table.
After taking down the order, the server should repeat back the order to the customers to double-check for accuracy, collect the menus, and excuse themselves from the table.
Once the order has been taken, the server should put it into the computer system or the appropriate system for their restaurant. In some restaurants, the server will need to take the order to the kitchen and communicate the order to the chef or the leader of the line, also known as the expediter. Next, the server should adapt the table settings to the client's orders and take away any utensils from the mise en place that will not be used. While collecting the items, the server should be on the right side of each customer. Place the items carefully on a tray and take them to the expo line.